Do you dread laundry day because of a noisy, shaking washing machine that disrupts your entire home? Samsung's 4.5 cubic foot front load washer with advanced vibration reduction technology plus runs whisper quiet even during the high-speed spin cycle. You'll barely know it's running. This smart washer features Wi-Fi connectivity through the SmartThings app, letting you start, stop, and monitor cycles from anywhere while receiving helpful maintenance reminders. The spacious 4.5 cubic foot capacity handles large loads, including king-size comforters and bulky bedding with ease, reducing the number of loads you need to run. High-efficiency performance uses less water and energy while delivering powerful cleaning that removes tough stains effectively. The self-clean cycle keeps your washer fresh and odor-free without harsh chemicals. Stackable design makes it perfect for apartments, condos, or homes where space is at a premium. The stunning black stainless steel finish adds modern sophistication to any laundry room. Experience the peace and quiet you deserve on laundry day. Find the link to purchase this ultra-quiet powerhouse in the description and comments below.